Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby.
Okay, so this is part of this beach, and we have the all the hotels to the left, and there's actually a boardwalk up that way as well. The water's coming in real quick. So we're gonna put this up on the map exactly where we are. Let me just do a little thing at the beach, and we're gonna walk along the beach, and we'll put it up on the map so you can see what part of the beach that we're at. So this is a little slice of Danang, where the ocean's at. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so let me just kind of see how this is gonna, let's go up this way. So we're gonna walk straight down about 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll give you an idea of all the stuff that we see, including the businesses and the just kind of take a look here real quick. It's a little bit of erosion kind of thing. Okay, looks nice though. So you can see the mountain in the background. There's even a statue way down the distance. The statue, I'm not sure exactly what it is. But yeah, this is Danang Beach. I think I'll put the correct name down below so you can see exactly what the name of it is. I think it's like Mai Tai or something like that. They also have places to sit pretty much throughout. Okay. Let's have all these kind of beach bar stuff for sitting as well. And today you have a red flag, no swimming. So I don't know if it's always red or just or this time of year. The flag gets a little worn and torn, like it's just kind of there all the time. Okay. So we do have some beach bars up there, and there's kind of a little bit of a boardwalk. I'm gonna say on this side. This probably came up. Big thing of bamboo, I think. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, it's been kind of cloudy. I guess I was reading the weather. I think it's gonna rain a little bit today, and then there won't be. Then tomorrow's gonna be a super nice day, and then it's gonna rain a lot in 2 days from now. 2 days and 3 days from now. Look at all, this has all these barnacles on it. a look at that real quick. See all of those barnacles, so this one's been in the ocean for a while. And, yeah, you can see it's like all kind of living as well. See that? Okay. Just kind of see this flag. You can see how worn and torn that is. So I think it's kind of perpetually up there, maybe. Okay, so looks like we kind of have a little bit of a dry stretch right in here. So maybe what I'll do in this spot is I'll go up a little bit and then combine it with the boardwalk, so you can get an idea of what they both look like. So yeah, a little up here they got lots of these coconut trees everywhere. Some of them are ripe with coconuts. You'll see that up here as well. So if you see those coconuts up that way and then also up that way, so when those fall, that would be kind of painful for somebody if they're underneath it. Okay, let's keep going around here. So this is that direction of the boardwalk. We're gonna walk down this other way. So up here you have your like beach bars, restaurants. You can sit underneath the trees and such as well. Hotels to the left. Some of them even have nice balconies too. Okay. So we're gonna walk back in. Kind of gives you a little bit of idea what it looks like all the way down. Maya. These trips, they go right to the restaurant there. Kind of a boat. So this is just a slice, but kind of gives you an idea anyways of what it looks like. We'll just go directly this way. Then we'll go back to the ocean in a minute. It's been kind of cloudy the whole day, so got some surfers out here, so I think they have some surfboards. I saw them being rented somewhere as well. Let's go to the water. Yeah, okay. The water looks kind of rough. So I guess it's not really good for swimming, but it's good for surfing. So you got a surfer right there going out a little bit. Yeah, those waves do look kind of strong. Whew, it's cold. Very cold. Okay. A bunch of hotels up there. It's the water. So we're gonna go, I think we'll go a little bit further, then we're gonna go back inland again. Just kind of give you a fuller context of how the beach changes and what it looks like. Looks like a little bit busier down here. There are some surfers out there too. I haven't seen them. I see them going out, but I haven't seen them. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's see. It's really cool. Okay, let's keep on going down. More surfers are going out. As I go down, I see basically surfers. No swimming. No surfing. Okay. So just to give you some context, it's Tuesday, it's about 4 p.m. right now, approximately. There's another beach bar right here as well. That looks pretty busy. Been sitting outside. Got a couple more surfers here. Okay. And yeah, this is a whole little restaurant here. Let's see. Let's go past the surfing here. Okay, so there's more surfers up that way as well. So let's take a look. Let's do a little bit of a 360 here. Looks nice. The bar right there. Kind of walk a little bit further. There's volleyball up that way as well. Okay, let's go up to the street sign. I think it's going to say Danang. Okay. So let's see what the street sign says. Okay, let me just take a look here. Okay, so that's My An Beach, Danang. There it is, so that's where we're at. Okay, let me just step back a little bit. Okay, and that's the beach if we were to keep walking down the boardwalk. And you can see all these little bars and such as well down here. So on that note, we're going to end it right there. So it's Mai Kai Beach, Danang.